You're watching EDS TV.
Crunch.
These two idiots meet each other. Someone's gonna ask, why are they both idiots? Well, there's no left turn sign, and for this very reason, they're both idiots. An idiot in the front and an idiot in the back. On the flip note, the design of that crossover is horrendous. Why is the turn indicator located down near the bumper instead of at a logical place next to the brake lights? The guy that was hit got up, kinda dazed, and slowly shook it off and just walked away. The guy in the car pulled over, but I'm not sure if they had any interaction. The camera pulled over to help, but everyone left the scene. I think the flashing lights made them think that the ramp was being metered and they should wait for a green. It's a mistake, but I can understand how they got there. All things considered, the rider got lucky. Could have been launched 100 feet down the road. Allegedly, he just had a broken collarbone. That driver didn't even slow down. He must be DUI or a level of distracted driving I never knew was even possible. The driver of the Ford Escape that was hit was fine, but just whiplashed. The Honda driver told the camera he fell asleep because he was so tired from his classes. His seatbelt and airbags definitely did him a solid. Some say a lot of roads were built on coyote trails, and when we get crap like a 5-way intersection with 2 stop signs and 2 traffic lights and 1 yield, I really start to believe so. I think she got in a rush to get out in front of the camera so she didn't have to wait for everyone behind the camera. Fortunately, no one was injured. A true idiot never misses his or her exit. She had the audacity to honk at the camera as the camera passed. Riding on the shoulder like it's the Autobahn. The icing on the cake is the Beamer's door obstructing the right lane. 10 out of 10, Beamer beaming. That van driver must have been thinking, oops, there's somebody coming. I better stop right in front of them. I love the reverse of shame. The driver that hit the camera had the nerve to say it was the camera's fault. Thanks to dashcam footage, she was found at fault. Kudos to the camera for swerving out of the way. That could have been pretty horrific. Who do you think is at fault, as I am unsure? It seems like the black car shouldn't have a driver's license. To me, it almost looked kind of deliberate. That guy is a dunce for driving in the left lane with that poorly secured, urine-soaked mattress. This homeless man seemed to have a bone to pick with these people and starts raging. I hope he gets the help he desperately needs. Unfortunately, this took place in Austin, where homelessness is extremely rampant. Some people act as if their life will end if they take the wrong turn. Could have been a lot worse if it hit the windshield. It hit the top of the driver's side headlight into the hood, making a large dent and crease. You can see the little shackle if you pause around 6 seconds into the clip.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.